Hi friends, welcome to Anmohi's Gann Cycle decoding. There has been a few days gap wherein I could not make a video and share it to you, and that's why now I'm planning for a weekly video wherein we can discuss weekly pivots and also the monthly pivots which are likely to take place in our favorite Nifty. Uh, so that once in a week we can go and find out what is there in stock for us as far as the trading Nifty is concerned. You can see that here I have made a projection. This is the pink line is for monthly projection and monthly pivots rather. It's not monthly projection, monthly pivots. And this is for a weekly pivots. As per the weekly pivots, you can see that 9th, we are expecting a low, 13th high, 16th low, 22nd high, and 29th low of that kind. And 31st, it is going to be high again. And as far as the monthly cycles are concerned, we may see a high on 7th and 27th. We may see a low for the month of January. And 14th February, we may see a high, and 8th or 7th of March, we may see a low in Nifty. And this, whatever I have marked on the charts, are based on my calculations. And those calculations are again based on Ganns system, Ganns cycle, how he used to derive it. That you can see here, I have worked out the weekly cycles, which is having again two trading days orb. That is, it may happen 2 days earlier or 2 days later. Then what dates are mentioned against each pivots. The L stands for low pivot low and H stands for pivot high. And whereas this one is in fact a larger cycle wherein we are able to see a larger turns. A seventh is expected to be a high, and 26 is expected to be a low. And 15th February, we are expecting a low, and again, 8th of March, we are expecting a low in Nifty. And this cycle too, having a problem of two trading days, or it may happen 2 days earlier or 2 days later. For swing traders, this cycle, which is based on LOV, this law of vibration, as stated by Gann, is going to help a lot. And for small swings, we can even try to track from this weekly cycles also. Both these are based on Gann's law of vibration, and this is how Gann used to keep his data updated before taking any trades, and then he used to follow by a trailing stop losses. So that's how Gann used to trade. And let us come back to what Monday we are having in stock for us. if we see here the Monday, we can expect high on opening. It may start going up at about 10 o'clock. There may be uh, impulse down again at 11.5. That impulse may give away for a reaction up, which may likely to stay up to end of the day for 6th of December 2025. And these are labels which I have drawn. These are based on some number squares which are likely to, I'm trying to assess the pricing part also. So when it is likely to get a down move, when it is likely to get a up move, where it is likely to close, all these things are also able to be ascertained in advance, which can give an informed decision for taking a trade. But having said that, these are just a study part, and these are not a recommendation for taking any trades or investment advices. This is only for your references, wherein you can just take a note of this, and before resorting for any actual trades or investment, you are advised to consult SEBI registered financial advisors for actual trading. Now, we have also, this is what we are expecting a weekly based returns in the Nifty, as we have already discussed earlier. 9th, it may make a low. And here we are finding that 7th, we may make a high. Then as per weekly, the 13th, we may make a high, which is not listed here because that is going to be a minor high. And again, we may make a, on 16th, we may make a low. And 23rd, we may make a high. And 30th, we may make a low. Now, having said that, this 26th, whatever law of vibration as far as the monthly cycle is concerned, it is showing as a low, and weekly it is showing as a low on 30th. These two cycles will merge together. We may get a low around, if not on exact dates, somewhere nearly on 30 on 30th or 29th, we may get a low in a Nifty, and then further for month of February, this weekly pivots I have not listed full, but third is expected to make a high, but it is not going to be a monthly high. Monthly high we are finding somewhere near 15th. After 15th, it will be having a downtrend, and so further, later periods we can see it going forward. This is just in a nutshell. I wanted to make my view for the next week, coming week, and that's why I have made this calculations based on Gann's law of vibrations. And this we have already, as we have already checked in the chart. In fact, this is what we are getting in this. So this is a weekly. This is a smaller turn I have shown you, and this is monthly, wherein it is likely to make a high and low. But one thing I want to emphasize over here is, as far as the full cycle is concerned, and we are still on downtrend because we have earlier also we have referred to this chart where we have taken a recent high and low and we divided this by 1/8 divisions, and still the Nifty is trading just below 6/8 division. This is a 7/8 division. This is 6/8 division. It has closed below 6/8 division. That is indicating us that Nifty is still not showing any strength and taking any aggressive um, long side may sometimes prove fatal. And whenever you feel the prices are going up, that may be utilized for intraday trading and not for long time trading. This chart, when we refer, it is indicating that unless and until Nifty uh, able to close about 24,800 convincingly and trades at least for 2 days above this, we cannot get a confirmation having Nifty gain the strength. So this impulses would be always on downside, reactions would be always on upside. Reactions and sorry, I'm having a bad throat today. Request to bear with me for that. So this actually we can check various angle drawn from this various lines to find out whether Nifty is really making an attempt to go higher or not. So suppose if we consider the recent high made on 5th of December and low on 21st of November, and if you try to draw a line also, we are still less than 50% of this. Always Gann said level of 50% is very, very much important. Whenever the price is below the 50% of two latest pivots, that indicates a weakness. If it is above the 50%, we can have an impression that Nifty is gaining strength to go up. Presently, our movements are likely to be more on downside and not much upside. It is somebody may attribute the global scenario for that. But being a student of Gann, I always give more importance to what Gann cycles indicates, and Gann cycles are indicating us market is down, not only based on these levels and what the other main move is indicating, but because of other several factors which I don't want to discuss in this video because as it may take a lot of time to explain it. And this levels while working out all these monthly cycles and weekly cycles based on Gann's law of vibration, I usually take a help of Gann's tools like square of 9, wheel of 24, wheel of 36, wheel of 72, and various angles drawn from various highs and lows and squaring the ranges, so on and so forth. And not to forget about the numbered squares. The Gann always used to track the prices based on squares. There are various squares Gann did mention, like square of 90, square of 12, square of 144, and for commodities, he used much a square of 12, that is 12 chart 144, and for stocks, he used to give mm, uh, he used to utilize the square of 9 and square of 90 for those things. And for that, we are having free programs available in the market, or otherwise, it is not much difficult to make it on any of the Excel sheets for us during GAN days, though Excel programs were not available. For now, we are having Excel programs available, and we can always make use of those Excels and find out the pricing parts and also timing parts. Now, again, we are on the screen where I am having intraday move depicted for the 6th of December 2025. And for weekly pivots, I am having a list displayed over here. And for monthly pivots, I am having a table displayed over here. For any doubts and clarifications, one may visit my website www.anmohin.com, and this is my website. And for any, if you are having any doubts and need a clarification, you are always welcome to reach me out at my Twitter or X handle at Anmohin. Let me just type it out for you. My Twitter is at Anmohin. You can try to reach me that too, and even my Telegram links are available in my website. There also you can check out and send me messages if you are having any doubts, so that I'll try to clarify you through messages, either through X or otherwise through Telegram, and whatever way you prefer. And you can make an inquiries there on my websites too. For any of your doubts, please feel free to contact me. And I hope this video has been much useful to you for taking an educated um, decision in the market to come for the next week. And I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for your time. Have a nice week and a month ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.